The missing scooter mystery, why a bailable warrant was issued against Ola CEO Bhavesh Agarwal. Ola Electric and its founder Bhavesh Agarwal found themselves in the eye of a legal storm on February 17, 2026, after Goa Consumer Commission took a remarkably firm stance. The controversy centers on a bailable warrant issued against Agarwal following a series of missed appearances regarding a customer's long unresolved vehicle complaint. Bhavesh Agarwal was summoned to explain why a brand new Ola S1 Pro had reportedly disappeared into the company's service network without being returned to the owner. The complainant, Pritesh Ghadi, alleged that his 1.47 lakh rupees scooter developed motor and software failures almost immediately after purchase in August 2023. After handing the vehicle over to an authorized center in Vasco for repairs, Ghadi claimed it became impossible to track, leading him to seek help from the judiciary. The South Goa District Consumer Commission, chaired by Sanjay Chodankar, issued the warrant for 1,47,499 rupees after the CEO failed to show up for a February 4 hearing. The Bengaluru police were directed to produce the CEO before the commission by February 23, highlighting a significant shift toward personal accountability for startup founders. However, the Bombay High Court at Goa intervened just hours later, staying the execution of the warrant and questioning the Commission's use of its judicial powers. Justice Valmiki Menezes noted that the Consumer Forum appeared to have transgressed its jurisdiction by using a warrant to compel presence during an ongoing complaint phase. The High Court clarified that while commissions have civil court powers, these are typically reserved for enforcing final orders rather than preliminary hearings. In response, Ola Electric stated that the stay confirmed the commission had exceeded its legal authority under the Consumer Protection Act of 2019. The company has urged stakeholders to focus on the High Court's findings, though the stay does not end the underlying dispute over the missing vehicle. This legal drama follows a pattern of regulatory friction in Goa, where the state previously suspended Ola's registration on the Vahang portal in late 2025. The suspension was triggered by over 2,000 pending service complaints, signaling a deep-seated infrastructure struggle for the electric vehicle giant. For consumers like Ghadi, the High Court's procedural stay is a setback in his quest for a refund, but the case has already become a landmark for consumer rights. The matter is scheduled for further hearing on February 23, where the Commission will likely demand a concrete update on the scooter's location and status. Ultimately, this saga underscores that in the rapidly evolving EV market, after-sales accountability is becoming just as critical as the initial technology and sales pitch. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.